Hello, everyone. I'm here again. But anyway, we are live. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world and where you are tuning in right now. Hello po sa inyo. Kumusta po? At sana po maganda ang araw ninyong lahat. And I'm here again on my live. So, by the way, time check muna tayo. Today is 3:06 p.m. in the afternoon, September 18, 2024, here in Antioch, California. And by the way, to those who are first time to see me, my name is Julie Ann, and I'm a business owner and a business mentor where we help individuals to jumpstart their online business. So, ito na naman, you might see me every day on my live, which is, and I have a business page, Jawan Kids, and my business profile Liana Bad, and I have a website which is www.josankit.com because I'm a business owner, as I've mentioned a while ago, and that is my website. So if you're interested, just plug in your name and your email address and you'll see everything in there. Okay, so yes, so today is yeah. So you'll see me every day because we have this 90-day success challenge. And today is our 59th day. Ooh, malapit na pero malayo. Um, and every day we have a different topic where we share our insights, our learnings, our experiences, and our stories and our thoughts regarding on the daily topics that we have. And this 90-day success challenge, which I jumped in because I want a personal growth, professional growth, and to form a new habit, and especially that I have this digital online business. And for today's topic, we're gonna be talking about a automation, no, di ba? So because we are on the digital age, so imagine a world that you won't do anything, right? Lahat ng mga gagawin mo, may mga gagawa na para sa'yo. So, mostly, that is our age, right? Ano bang tawag doon? Civilization ba? Na ngayon. And that will be our topic for today, the power of automation. So, yes, so shout out lang muna kay Sis Shay. Hi, Sis Shay. Yeah, hey, first honor ka nga. First honor nga, girl. And hello, watching from Virginia. Yes, Virginia is one of my business partner and she's from Virginia. Um, And asan na ba yung aking mga banners na yan, 'di ba? Labandera na natin ang ating banner. So, yes. So, my banner says that work smarter, not harder. OMG, but I just want to share something. I felt bad. Kasi parang feeling ko matanda na ako. I just came from my class, parang mandatory class, and parang updates ba. And it seemed like parang matagal na yatang may ganitong class before that pandemic happened, before the COVID-19. And sabi nila yung class na yun is last na ginawa nila 2014. And for me, I was not really that updated too with all those classes and with all those new mga pagbabagong ginawa, mga bagong gamot, mga bagong procedures. We have to get updated. And by the way, I'm working as a nurse in the emergency room, and yes, we have that triage class this morning. I felt bad. Para wala akong kaalam-alam. Pero totally kasing nagbago. Lahat nagbago. So I felt like I'm a new student again. So that is what is happening in our world right now, right? That we have to get updated. We have to update ourselves because of these new trends, new learnings. Lahat na, ang daming nagbago. Kaya sabi ko, my gosh, nung ongoing ang aking training, ang aking class, ano to? Bakit wala 'to sa ano? Ano ba 'yan? But anyway, life must go on and we have to learn things, right? So, same as the topic for today, na na busy sa business. So, ito shout out lang muna kasi may bagong pasok. Hello, Ate Debs. Thank you for coming into my live. Hindi ano, oo nga nahuli mo ako. Akala ko nahuli ka. Hindi ka pa nahuli kasi kasisimula ko pa lang. And yes, she's Cheryl. Yeah, na-busy sa business. Part of it. Guilty naman ako na dahil sa business parang napapabayaan ko ng aking ano, but part of it, yeah, busy naman talaga ang life, 'di ba? That's why. And yes, change in innovation. I know we have change in innovations talaga. And kahit na may sabi natin may power of automation, but every day is a new day. Every day, laging may lumalabas. May mga bagong trend, may mga bagong innovations, may mga bagong technology. And it's because we are in digital age. So, kaya nakakaloka nung pumasok ko kanina. Kaya magre-repeat ako. Natawa nga ako sa sarili ko eh. But it's my fault because there's a resources. I just trusted myself, trusted my instinct. So that's why it happened. That happens sometimes if you don't depend on others, even if it's an open book or you have some resources that you don't use, then that happens. You fail sometimes, but you can get up again, right? And learn and get up again. Ganun talaga ang buhay. So, kaya magre-repeti ako ng ng topic sa aking manager, but anyway, I don't feel bad because anyway, it's not a patient, or as long as my patient is okay and my license is okay, I'm good. Anyway. So, yes, power of automation ang topic natin ngayon. When we talk about automation, when we hear those sounds na doot, mga ding-ding, mga gsh, mga ganyan, mga mga ganyan, that is automation. Parang nakakatawa bakit yun refer sa mga sounds. It's because may sounds naman talaga sila eh. It's not the sound of nature, but it's the sound coming from the machines from that we are using, from the robotic na mga ginagamit. Ano bang mga yan? Power of automation yung mga yan. That's why they produce a sound. It's because it's automated. It's because it's mga robot, mga ganyan. So, pag mga pinipindot-pindot, ayan, that's what we call the automation. Sinimplify ko lang kasi hindi nagbasa. I just came out from my from my class. So, sabi ko ay nako, malilate na naman ako sa aking live. I'll do it. Jump in right away. And here am I. So, hi Sis Rachel. Thank you for coming into my live. And ito lang, makikipagkwentuhan lang about sa automation. But anyways, sabi nga naman ni Warren Buffett, sabi nga naman niya is ito, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. Sabi niya. So yan yung parang appropriate na quote ngayong araw kasi nababagay siya sa automation and passive income, o 'di ba? And I'm in a digital business. So reading that from Warren Buffett, that is why we have to nowadays dapat we have to work smart, not harder. Especially that life is too short at mabilis ang oras. Mabilis ang takbo ng oras. Kaya find a way to make money while you sleep, 'di ba? While having your full-time job. And at least kumikita 'yan. So he's talking about having a passive income. But how will you do a passive income, or how will you work smart sa panahon ngayon na tumataas ang inflation rate? Lahat ng mga kailangan ngayon, kailangan mo ng pera, kailangan mo maglabas ng pera. But how will you do that on a busy world, crazy world nowadays? So that is, it comes the passive income. But how will you work smart with the passive income na hindi ka nahihirapan? Kasi may full-time job ka. So that's the power of the automation comes in, di ba? So, and we are on digital business, which is yun yung pinaka-trend ngayon kasi we are already on digital age. And yan yung i-explain ko kung ano nga ba ang automation sa business, kasi yung alam natin sa automation is automation sa ating pang-araw-araw lang na ginagawa, like yung paglaban ng damit, pagpapainit ng pagkain, yung pagpunta mo sa work na mabilis, 'di ba? Yan yung mga mga inisip natin mga automation. But how is it, paano nga ba sa business nagiging automated siya? So kami, we are on digital online, and we have a system that works for us. So that comes in the automation. And paano nagiging paano yung system namin at paano nagtatrabaho para sa amin? Ito ang kagandahan kasi our business, they provided us a proven system that works for us, where they provide us a funnel. At saka kung alam nyo ang funnel, parang isipin nyo na lang, ang funnel, literally funnel siya, di ba? Parang malaki na papaliit na ganyan. And it filters those people coming in who are really interested to join the system. So to join in the business. That is our system that is working for us. So yung system namin ang nagfi-filter ng mga prospect or ng mga interesadong mga tao para mag-join sa aming business. At saka kapag nakapasok doon na nagsisend na yung system ng mga informations regarding our business every day. And it's our system that is following up our clients or our future business partners kung they are interested with that. And then if they were able to see that they're interested, hindi pa rin kami ang gumagalaw noon. Hindi kami ang gumagawa ng trabaho. It's our system. Our prospects or our clients just enter their information, and our system will be the one to send them the next step kung anong gagawin and everything, until they will get to the point that they have decided that they want to join the business. And that's the time that we come in and then talk to them that, hey, yeah, welcome. Oh, di ba? Welcome na agad. So anong ginawa namin doon? Bakit naging automation doon? We just joined the business, and then we have the system that works for us. And if they're interested, we will just welcome them. O, di ba? So, yun lang yung trabaho namin. Parang nag-attract, pumasok yung tapos mag-welcome na lang kami na, hey, welcome to our business. And ganyan ang power of automation. Parang na shortcut, o, di ba? Wala ka nang ginawa. So that is the passive income comes in, and that is the word that work smarter not harder comes in. Oh. So yun ang pagkakaintindi ko sa automation. Oh. And but the thing is, nowadays, di ba, mamumroblema na naman kayo sa mga, siguro tatanungin nyo, uy, hindi safe yan. Uy, ang daming hackers niyan, ang daling makakapasok niyan. Because it's digital world, we all have those misconceptions and everything. But luckily, our business that we have, they already know that that situation that will come in. That is why it is very protected. We have a system that protects our business, and that one also is provided when we joined our business. So yun yung kagandahan kasi it is well protected and everything. And so wag kayong matakot na bakit na baka ma-hack ang mga accounts niyo or baka makuha yung informations ninyo. Hindi po madali kasi may system po kaming nagbabantay at nag-aalaga sa mga informations na pumapasok sa inyo. And what we only get is your email and your name. We don't have any other informations. If you will join the business, that's the time that you will give all the lahat ng mga information, but that is already protected sa pag ipapasok niyo yung information ninyo. So that's the power of automation. Tapos yung pag makikita nyo, ang daming mga hindi ko na i-mention yung mga VPN, yung mga DSP, yung mga something like that kasi hindi naman ako talagang IT. Yung naiintindihan ko lang ang mga sinasabi ko. So, when you yung iisipin niyo na naman na may monthly maintenance yan, may babayaran, malaki ang babayaran, malaki ang gagastusin kasi pag magkakaroon ka ng website, ang dami mong gagawin, ang dami mong babayaran, ang dami mong ipapasok or ang dami mong achuchuchuchu, etc. Ganyan. But here in our business, it is all provided as long as you have joined us. At saka yun yung kagandahan. Maybe you're just wondering how come we had a website and we have a funnel and we have a system having this business. Yun yung kagandahan. Kaya kung nakikurious kayo, tingnan ninyo sa website ko, www.josonkit.com. So yun yung kagandahan sa business na ito. It is all provided and you don't have to worry of anything else. And before ko sila mawala, shout out lang muna sa aking mga business partners. Hi Rachel, thank you for coming in. Yes, that means we will not work until we die. Yeah. And because we found the best automated system. And good morning, Sis. Hi, Sis Lay. Thank you for coming in. Hi, Sis Saukon. Thank you for coming in to my live. And si Ate Elisa ba? Hi, Sis Elisa. Gumagaling na ha. Thank you so much for coming into my live. So, yun yung power of automation. At saka maybe you're wondering nga na bakit nga ba provided lahat ang aming mga funnels and yun yung kagandahan sa business namin na sinasabi ko compared to other businesses because only our business who have that we have our own, they will provide us our own website na iba-iba. And we have the funnel and our proven system. And this is the kagandahan na makaka-afford ka joining a business like this because if you will do it on your own, you will spend a lot of money spending out with your funnel, spending out with your website, and bringing out money to have that proven system. Because if you don't have that proven system, yun yung sinasabi ko na madaling ma-hack, madaling mapasok, at saka madaling ma-virus yung system ninyo. And not like our system, it is already protected. So yun yung kagandahan. So you don't have to worry of having being hacked or having being ng virus, everything, because it is already proven and protected for us. O, diba? So, yun yung kagandahan. And eto, basahin ko ang message ni Sis Lay. Diba? Yes, we are at the age of automation wherein everything is automatic na. Pati pag-ascenso, automatic na rin. Pati pag-join sa business. And we are real people who only wants to help you kasi takot rin kami sa karma. Remember, automatic na lahat. Di ba? Yeah. And especially nowadays, there are AIs, there are everything. So, pwede kang gumawa ng iyong commercial na AI ang gamit mo and send some information na AI ang gamit mo diba? And the thing is, that's why we have to be careful on whom are we joining and talking to sometimes, because sometimes they duplicate your accounts. Talagang kokopyahin nila, o automatic na yon kasi automatic din ang pagkopya ngayon. And the good thing is we are talking about automation, which is ito, ang automation na sa business. We are working smart, not harder. And the thing is, we are doing attraction marketing, which is attraction marketing. We don't bug people. Hindi kami naghahabol, and we don't sell. Yun yung isang magandang sa business namin na ito ngayon, kasi no selling involved and no bugging of people, and it works for us 24/7. Those three are the main reason why we have this business, because of its automation. Especially for me, that I don't know how to sales. Hindi ako marunong mag-sales talk. Hindi ako marunong maghabol ng mga tao. Pag may maraming tao, natatameme na lang ako. Tsaka hindi ko alam kung saan ako magsisimula. Where will I start? Or how will I start the conversation just to present my product? Yung mga ganyan. That is why I was able to, that is why I was amazed when I saw this kind of business. Because it really fits for me. I'm looking for a passive income or a plan B, and as well as working for my retirement. At ito na yun, kasi I don't sell, I don't bug people, and it works for me 24/7, only even if I'm doing something and my life is uninterrupted, o di ba? Hindi na tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pamumuhay mo while your business is working in the background. Kaya niyo madidinig na karamihan sa mga kasama ko, sa mga business partners ko, we always say, while our business is working in the background, having a vacation while my business is working in the background, or working my full-time job while my business is working in the background. Yung ganyan. It's because of our system, the automation is working already for us. So that's yun yung talagang dahilan nun kung bakit namin sinasabi na papaano nagtatrabaho ang business in the background. So that's yun yung dahilan. Kasi nung una rin, ako rin bakit lagi nilang sinasabi na works in the background, how is it? so yun yung tapos yung kagandahan pa, because of this automation, pagdating sa attraction because we are on attraction marketing. Pagdating naman sa attraction marketing, how easy it is. So yun yung kagandahan sa business namin, kasi we have these teams and we work together as a team, which we discussed yesterday. Ang kadalian ng copy and paste. Kung marunong ka mag-copy and paste, gagana ang business mo, and you are doing you're doing the attraction marketing already. O, diba? So yun yung kagandahan, kasi you really don't have to put time or effort on thinking or making something to post. If you don't have to post, or if you don't have something to share, we have the team that we are working together and sharing all our thoughts and ideas, where we can grab and paste. O, di ba? So copy and paste. And kagandahan pa nun, meron yung mga anong tawag dito? Mga editing apps, like yung CapCut, Canva, o di ba? At saka ngayon, meron si ChatGPT, which is so easy. Naging best friend ko si ChatGPT sa pagtatanong ng mga bagay-bagay. If I don't have something to post for today, I'll just copy and paste from ChatGPT and then just reword it. If you feel like it doesn't speaks for yourself, then just reword it or change some of the words, and that's it. Voila, you're already doing your attraction marketing and posting something. Yes. So, 'di ba? So, ito, may question ako sa may question. May 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 tanong ako sa inyo. Ito, may dalawang ibon, si Giripit at si Giripat. Lumipad si Giripit, sino ang naiwan? Aba, kung may feeling ko naman may nanonood. O, di ba? May dalawang ibon, si Giripit at si Giripat. Lumipad si Giripat, sino ang naiwan? Di ba? So, mag-aantay ako ng sasagot nun sa aking tanong while I will continue on my topic. So, yun yung kagandahan ng aming having this digital online business and having this this as your side hustle or your plan B, and later on it will be your full-time job, and that works for your retirement, and you are working for your legacy for your family. So so ito ang tanong, ulitin ko daw, sabi ni Cheryl. May dalawang ibon, si Giripit at si Giripat. Lumipad si Giripat, sino ang naiwan? So yun yung kagandahan ng aming system. And if you're talking about affordability, very affordable po ang aming system. And because we have very affordable kasi it's a one-time payment. We don't have that subscription just like the subscription sa mga ano na yon, sa mga virus protection na yan. So, like the computer, they have the yearly protection for that one. But in our system, it's only a one-time payment and everything is provided to you. And yun yung kagandahan, at saka yung isa pa is automation siya, so wala kang masyadong tatrabahuin. Our system does the 90% of the job, which is following up your clients, following up your prospects, and then our system will be the one to send the information kung ano nga ba ang business namin ito, at saka kung paano kumikita. That's our system that is working for us. It's not us. We only do attraction marketing, which is like this. We only share, we only give informations to everyone that check our business. It's a blessing that you will have it. And if you're looking for a side hustle or a plan B, yun yung ginagawa namin. And then if they were able to enter the system, and our system will be the one works for them until we will meet them at the end, and then great welcome to our business. And yes, yun yung parang automation doon. So ano na lang ang ginawa mo, wala kang masyadong ginawa. You just showed up to the social media, which we're gonna be talk about tomorrow, and then inform that you have encountered this blessing and opportunity, and if they're interested to see it, then that's the time that they will enter our system, and we'll meet them at the end. It's either to welcome them in our business, or it's up to them. They can retract. There's no commitment in here. So yung question nakuha niya, no? Tumawa si Cheryl. Si Giripit nga ba? Siya nga ba? Tingnan natin kung tama ang sagot. Si Giripit? Ito nga yung tanong. May dalawang ibon. Si Giripit at saka si Giripat. Lumipad si Giripat. Sinong naiwan? Ano yung tanong, Kamsat? Yun yung tanong. Si girl. Si girl. Wala si girl dun eh. Hindi sumama. So yeah, back again to that topic, which we're gonna be talking about tomorrow, is about social media. So just hang in there, and then watch me tomorrow. And which is, di ba, talagang wala kang makikitang trabaho doon masyado. Nag-show ka lang, naging artista lang. Aba, artista na tayo. Joke lang po. Baka may maiinis eh. And then we'll just inform them that, hey, we have this, yun lang ginawa namin. So Aba, sino? Sabi ni JK. Sino? Mag-guess ka. Sabi ni si Cheryl, yes, that's why we only do 10% effort and the 90% is done by our automation or by our system. Yun nga. Oo, tama sis. And sabi ni JK sa aking question, yun ang naiwan. Sino nga? Yes, free na rin ang accommodation ko sa Chula Vista. Yahoo, repeat. Tumawa ako sa inyo. Walang naiwan, repeat, wala, hindi tayo matatapos pag-repeat ng repeat. So, yun yung ano, nakuha agad ni Cheryl yung question eh. So, I just joked that one because we know that automation is repetitive. so, so yung question ko kanina is, ito JK, ang question ko kanina is may dalawang ibon, si Giripit at si Giripat. Lumipad si Giripat, sinong naiwan? Yun yung tanong ko. Tapos nakuha agad ni Cheryl eh. Kaya sabi niya, sige, repeat. Pero repeat ako ng repeat. Pag repeat ako ng repeat, hindi tayo matatapos. But anyway, that's one of the joke that I want to say because it's kind of related to automation. Because automation, it's repetition naman yan eh. Diba? Parang paulit-ulit lang. That's repetition. And our business, it's the same as like that. That we have that system that works for us. So it's just like the same thing, the same cycle. And but what we want to share here to you is even if there's a lot of digital online business there, show me one that is most best because I can say that this is the best digital online that we have right now, wherein it works aside from the 90% of the job for you, only 10% that you have to do. It's the real gold mine here is the is the company that we have and which is 50 years in the industry. So saan ka makakita nun na nasa digital online business and it's thriving, di ba? Lalo na nung pandemic, nag-thrive pa siya. Talagang nag-boom pa siya nung pandemic. That's the gold mine here. And the benefits sa health, benefits of whole family, and benefits on your wealth. So those are the thing that I want to share to you here, especially even if you have those automated system that you have nowadays. I know that nagbo-boom din ang mga ibang businesses na digital online business, but our system and our business is different. So it's better for you to check it while we said that it's a gold mine. Kasi yan ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo at tingnan ninyo. It's better for our system to work for you because it explains better and all of your questions will be answered there. That's why I joined this business because I don't want to be talking and explaining what kind of what kind of business and what we are doing. Kasi usually kapag kami ang nag-explain at nagsasalita, the more na napupunta sa ibang anong tawag nito, ibang track or we are giving parang naglilid na sa misinformation, which we don't like to happen. That's why we encourage everyone, and you know that we're not showing everything or telling everything about our system, about our business, because we want you to see how beautiful the business is and how it worked to us, and paano namin nasasabi na bakit hindi namin sinasabi, because we don't like some misinformations to mislead informations. So that's it, and we want you also to see the process on how the business is, kasi yan yung proseso eh. So yan talaga ang kagandahan, di ba? So sino yung naiwan? Walang naiwan kasi pag sasabihin mo yung naiwan, repeat na naman tayo. Hi sis Amy. Thank you for coming into my live and hope you were able to catch that question that we were talking about. And I see gets na LO. Na-gets mo na rin LOL. Hindi tayo Hindi tayo hindi tayo matatapos. Yes. Oh, yeah. And here it is regarding Zap. Thank you, Zap, for saying that repetition. Yung yung joke na yun, it's not related to the joke, but it's the repetition is the duplication. So yun yung kagandahan nito kasi we don't have to do something or anything. We're just do what the successful does and our system does, and we just duplicate it, and that's it. That's our business that is running. Yon. So, yung mga skeptical, yeah. So, yeah, lalo na yung mga skeptical dyan. That's why don't be skeptical on bakit hindi namin sinasabi or bakit hindi namin dinedivulge ang all of the information, because we have somebody, we have our system who's doing that for us. So, if you're curious enough, then just check on my website. That's my website over there, www.josonkit.com. All you have to do is enter your name and your email. And don't worry if you're thinking of your informations to be, mahack or something. No, hindi po. Kasi it's just your email. You don't have to enter all your information. Kahit na yung ilalagay mo lang sa name mo is yung palayaw mo. It's just your short name. It doesn't matter. Not your complete name. Doesn't matter, as long as your email, so that you will receive the information, because the information will be sent to your email, and that's the time that you will see and read all those and learn more of our business, and our system will be the one to direct you and everything, and it's up to you. And if you have any questions, just approach us or ask us or tell us that kung skeptical pa kayo. But if you will go to that, then you will see how beautiful the business is. Kahit na yung isang video lang yung panoorin mo, kasi ako nag-goosebumps ako nung pinanood ko yon, and hope same thing to you. You will really makikurious talaga kayo kung ano yun. But how that is our system that is working for us. So yan ang mga ang mga topic natin ngayon. Di ko naabutan yung question. Nalit ako, sis. Will watch again. Yes. It's just a simple question, sis Amy. Just to give a word kung ano nga ba ang repetition and duplication and automation. O, di ba? Ganun naman ang automation. Repeat lang. Di ba? So that's it for today, and I hope to see you tomorrow again. Oh my gosh, 60th na tomorrow. Parang ang dami ko pang gustong matutunan from my favorite line from Sis Saucon. Dati-rate nung nag-start ako ng ng go live. Takot na takot ako. Tapos as I go along, takot o nababawasan na mag-go live. Tapos ngayon na, takot na lang daw ang naiiwan. Which is yun yung nagustuhan ko. Which is, tama nga naman, takot na lang ang naiiwan. Pero yung isang takot na yun, yung gusto ko pang itong train of thoughts. Oh my gosh, I think I have to train my train of thoughts. I'm still poor on memory. Sign of aging na yata. But anyways, masasabi ko lang, I'm very good because I have this business that works for me. So, lahat ng mga mahihina sa math, lahat ng mga mahihina sa poor memory, this is for you. This business is for you because it all does the work for you. All you have to do is copy and paste. And show up on your business, o di ba? So, if you're curious enough and want to learn more, just log in your name and your email address. And just follow the steps. And then if you have any questions, just ask me. I'm here anytime of the day. Just shoot me a message. And yun na. Wala na akong gagawin. Basta ako kahit na poor memory, poor sa math, walang natutunan, hindi mahilig sa math. Anyway, this business is for me because it does the work for me. I don't have to put headache on the sales, on the inventories. Ayan. Kasi lahat tinitake care nila. All I have to do is to just double check kung na-enter na. So, yun lang. Yun na. And then I'm inviting everyone that every Tuesdays and Thursdays we have this live info session webinar. Today is Wednesday, but I'm inviting you for tomorrow to watch the free webinar, 5 p.m. PST, 7 p.m. CST, and 8 p.m. EST every Tuesdays and Thursdays. And we have real people who are gonna share their real stories, which are composed of panelists. So maybe one day I can share. 'Di ba? Sis Shay, we will share our stories together, and Sis Zapo. So I'm encouraging all my business partners to join one day. There you go. Thank you so much and have a good day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Sana aking banner na na maganda. Yes. See you tomorrow, guys.